Understanding the phrase, tide is coming in. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and commonly used phrase in English, tide is coming in. This phrase is not only picturesque but also filled with meaning. Whether you're by the seaside or using it metaphorically, understanding this phrase will enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's dive in. Tide is coming in refers to the natural phenomenon observed along coastlines. Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the gravitational forces exerted by the moon and the sun, and the rotation of the earth. When we say, the tide is coming in, it means that the sea level is rising, covering more of the beach or shore. This is also known as high tide. It's a regular and predictable event that happens twice a day in most coastal areas. In everyday conversation, the tide is coming in can be used metaphorically. This metaphor can imply that a change is happening or about to happen. For example, if someone says, the tide is coming in for renewable energy, they mean that renewable energy is becoming more popular or prevalent. This usage of the phrase captures the sense of something gradual and unstoppable, much like the ocean's tide. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in different contexts. 1. Literal. We should move our picnic up the beach. The tide is coming in. 2. Metaphorical. With the new government policies, the tide is coming in for electric cars. Now, try to create your own sentences using tide is coming in, both literally and metaphorically. Practicing in diverse contexts will help you grasp its usage more firmly. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, tide is coming in, effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is like an ocean, and every new phrase you learn is like a wave that takes you further in your journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your day-to-day English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.